Good morning. My name is Pharmacist Rose and I'm here with...
I'm Pharmacist Tope.
Okay, so today is World Menstrual Health Hygiene Day. And the goal of this year's World Menstrual Hygiene Day is to normalize menstruation, making it a part of normal life. So we're here to talk about frequently asked questions. So pay attention. Thank you. Okay, is menstrual blood bad?
Okay, thank you very much, Pharmacist Rose. Menstruation happens when you shed what your womb, what your uterus had already pre-planned for you in case the person gets pregnant. So every month a woman or a girl releases an egg. If it's not fertilized, then the womb lined in preparation for a child begins to shed, and that's what you now have. That's the blood. So some people believe that since the person didn't get pregnant, now that's why they now call it bad blood. It's actually part of you. It's not that it was bad blood.
Okay, so is there a need for us to douche or massage after menstruation to take off the so-called bad blood?
I think for douching, this is what it does. Douching removes what you're seeing there now as bad blood, but also removes the good. So douching can erode the normal flora that you have. On this YouTube channel, we've had a previous episode on douching, the effects. And if you erode that normal flora, then you can expose yourself to, infection easily. Then for massage, only if you feel that massage is providing comfort or relief from that menstrual cramp you're having. If not, the massage is not there to remove the blood in itself.
Okay, so there's no need to douche or massage. There's no bad blood removal, in fact. Okay, where it's teenagers believe that if you start having intercourse, it will help to stop menstrual cramps.
Having intercourse wouldn't remove menstrual cramps. We have women who have gone ahead to have children, and then they still do have menstrual cramps, because cramps, especially those unbearable, are a result of many factors. Not just if you would have intercourse. Do you understand? So our professional advice to young girls and teenagers is do not expose sexually transmitted infections or teenage pregnancy because you believe that it's going to stop menstrual cramps. There are women that have gone to have different children and they still have menstrual cramps, because the reason for menstrual cramps is there are a number of factors, there are underlying health issues that people have that results in that menstrual cramps.
So if menstrual cramps become unbearable,
yes,
you should see a physician or a gynecologist for proper examination, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if a person has intercourse during menstruation, can it lead to giving birth to an albino?
No. Albino is genetic, like either the mother or the father has it in their gene and they can transfer it to their children. Having intercourse with someone during menstruation does not automatically mean that you will have an albino, because if it's already in your gene, whether you have intercourse during or after, what you'd have is that the person can still have an albino. Albino is just as a result that those people do not have melanin, or they have very extremely little in their bodies, and that's why they come out.
And albinos are very normal people.
Yes, they're very normal people.
They are very normal people. Okay, so can taking cold water during menstruation, can it increase your menstrual flow? Can it make the flow heavier?
Okay, like not just taking or bathing.
No, just like
drinking
cold water.
Okay, and we believe that hot water cures a lot of things. Like hot water is a good medicine in this part of the world. But the thing is that what people believe is that if you take warm water, it can help with those discomfort. But the amount of blood you lose, that heavy bleeding or light bleeding, is as a result of the other factors that women have, underlying health issues going on in their womb. Women with fibroid, women with endometriosis, and of course heavy bleeding. So it's not that cold water that resulted in that heavy bleeding.
Can menstruation make someone have mood swing?
Oh yes, menstruation can make you have mood swings because it's mainly hormonal. So your hormones can go
during menstruation, so it's possible. Okay, can mild exercises relieve menstrual cramps?
Yes, I strongly believe that mild exercises, healthy diet, can
help.
Yes, can help relieve, especially for people that have menstrual cramps, and not just exercise on that day, like even before, just having it as a lifestyle.
A way of life.
Yeah.
Okay. So, as a teenager, is it okay to skip period?
Like, you mean if your period skips?
Yeah.
Yes, it's possible. If it depends on if you just started. So if you just started, your period may not be as regular as it should be, so you could skip.
But your hormones are still building, right?
Yes. So, but if you already getting to that point where you're not consistent, where your period comes every month, but it's now skipping, then you need to see a physician or you see a gynecologist. Do you understand? To understand why your period is now skipping.
Okay. Can family planning alter your menstrual cycle?
Yes. Family planning, medication across, whether you're taking the tablets or injectables or any of the device, can make your period skip.
Okay.
You understand? Because they alter the hormone for you so you're not getting pregnant. So they can make your bleeding either heavier, sometimes they make it lighter, sometimes they make it skip. So yes, family planning can help. And let me just address this, because we now have a lot of people abusing family planning pills. Do you understand? It's important that you get your advice from your pharmacist if you're going to be taking your family planning pills, because abusing those drugs also have effects on what your menstruation is, even now maybe when you want to get pregnant. So it's important that before you start using any of those drugs, speak to your physician or your pharmacist.
And this one that people abuse commonly is a post pill. It's supposed to be taken after intercourse. But we notice that people come to
like the emergency contraceptive pill.
Yes, some people can take it like 4 times in a month.
Wow.
Which is very, very wrong.
Thank you so much. To celebrate the World Menstrual Hygiene Day, remember that the goal is to normalize menstruation as part of life. So we'll look forward to your questions, your comments. Please like, comment and share this video. Thank you.
Thank you.